Workshop Wednesday. We live action?
We're live.
We're rolling. Eli's video on the day. I never know when.
Yep.
He don't do the deal. 3, 2, 1, go. He just starts going, and I'm always confused. We'll have to start doing this. Anyhow, look at these cool little spurs I got going. From my man Thomas Brayman. Thank you, Thomas. We got a little windmill rail going. 1/2-inch bands. I've never done anything quite this small. Partially because it gets so weak right here, so thin, and you're thinking it bend and all this. And well, guess what? I've been using T1 for a while now, and watch this. Yeah, don't bend. Watch, we can do it like this. Nope. It's good.
I'm good.
Isn't that cool? That's cool. Little be dainty boogers. Anyhow, windmill rail. Got another cool deal to show y'all. So this is, look here, that's Andrea Murphy. She's an artist. She does Western playing cards. Where's her little Instagram deal? There it is. There's her Instagram deal. Well, y'all hear that knocking? Do you hear the knocking? I'm interrupting. I'll get back to you in a minute, Andrea. We got knocking. Get in here. You want to be on the video? Grego thinks it's quitting time. All right, no talking. I'm just busy. Quiet in the audience. Quiet in the gallery, right? Back to Andrea, and this cool. So these playing cards, she's done all the artwork on these guys. So there's all kinds of deals of her artwork. But look here. Watch this. Hold on. Get it back around. We don't be upside down. Where's the 10 of clubs? There it is. There's the old treble clef bit. And them black hands kind of match that black card, don't they? Anyhow, yeah, treble clef bit. So of Alan Levin. So thank you, Alan, for the whole deal. But anyhow, Andrea, thank you for using my bit for your playing cards. So that's pretty cool. And then me and Eli made it back from Arizona. All is well there. Clicking back in the shop. Patreon's rocking and doing good. Kinda. Got to do one today. Maybe there'll be 2 tomorrow. I don't know. We kind of worked out today. But anyhow, life is good. Podcast good. We were a little tardy. Apologies. But we got that going today, or not today, Monday. It did get downloaded. Maybe it was Tuesday, but I finally time it got going. Is that kind of confusing? Podcast is cool. Monday mornings with Willie, Carrie, and Willie. It's on Spotify. So y'all go hammer it out and look at it. So anyhow, I don't know what else to tell y'all. I'll be here this week. I'll be here next week. Life is good. Get used to the time change. It's just part of it. Adios.